In this video, we're gonna talk about what types of ad you should run on Pinterest. There is two types of ad. One is automatic and one is manual. And many people have this common question, what type of ad they should run on their Pinterest account. And almost my every client asks me, hey Jabed, what types of ads you should run? What types of ads perform the best in Pinterest, automatic or manual ads campaign? In this video, I'm gonna explain the whole thing. You should run automatic ads campaign or manual ads campaign. I'll fully uncover the thing automatic and manual ads campaign of Pinterest. And I can assure you by the end of this video, your all of the doubt will be cleared. Number one is if your account is new and you are running Pinterest ads for the first time, then Pinterest will recommend you automated campaign, and I think you should go with it. I also recommend if you are running a new ads and if you are running the ads on new account, then you should go with the automated campaign. Number two, automatics ads are also good if your goal is getting engagement by sharing excited news about your business, like your business review, customer talk about your product, any influencer talk about product, any good news and fun activities about your business, etc. Number three, if you are promoting a product with $1,000 plus of monthly ad budget, then you definitely need to target your audience very specifically. Then manual ads are the best choice for you. Manual ads allow you to customize every single details of your ads campaign and make the ads more ideal for the big campaign with advanced targeted needed. In number 4, I'm gonna take you through the step-by-step process so that you can understand and your every doubt will be clear in the number 4 section. It's going to be very important, so stay tuned. Here you can see this is a new account, and on that account we didn't running any ads yet. Only we are uploading content, we are making the account little grow, and then we are running ads. So this is a new account, and if we try to run ads now, so this account is fully ready for ads now. It's getting views organically, it's getting followers. Now the account looks amazing and we are ready to run the ads. So if we just click here and click on the create campaign, so here you can see the campaign method they are saying automated campaign and manual campaign. There's two options. They're suggesting me automated campaign, and a manual campaign right now they're not recommending us because they want us to automatically campaign, because Pinterest will automatically crawl our account, and according to our account they will bring our account to the targeted audience. I hope you understand. So that's why they suggested us automated campaign, and for the first campaign we will definitely go with the automated campaign. And this account, you can see this is an old account and we are running ads for so many days. And as you can see, if we just go to ads overview, so here you can see we are running continuously, we are running ads. We have spent $700 in last 30 days. If we just go to the overview, here we can see easily that we spent around $16,000 and got about $313,000 of total order value. Here you can see. And in this account, this is an old account and we are running ads for so long, and if we just try to create ads from there, so here you can see that Pinterest directly take us to the manual process. As you can see the manual campaign, Pinterest take us to the manual campaign because we are running big campaign and we are running a high advanced campaign. That's why Pinterest also suggesting us to run manual campaign. So there is no option for automated campaign, but if we want, we can from there we can go click on the automated one. But as a Pinterest will recommend us to run automated manual campaign, so definitely we will go with the manual campaign. From there we can target our audience very specifically, from reconnecting with user, find new customer, add keyword, audience list, demographic, everything we can track. With the manual campaign we can track everything and we can target our specific audience very specifically. So that's why when you are running a big campaign and when you already run so many campaigns on Pinterest, then you should definitely go with the manual campaign. Now I'm gonna show you an interesting thing. So this account, you can see this is the account we have been running ads for so long. It's been more than 2 years we're running ads on this account. So if we just simply click on there and go to the ads overview, Here you can see there's on the ads overview, we have spent $16,000, got $11,000 of order. And if we just go to all campaign, here you can see we have spent around $24,000. And if we just go to the total order value, here you can see the total order value is $803,000. So as you can see, the order value $803,000. So this account we have spent around $24,000, right, on ads. This is a very old account, and simply from there, if we just click on the create campaign, simply if we just go to the create campaign, here you can see this is also recommending us for automated campaign. Now the question is, why Pinterest is recommending us for automated campaign on an old account? Our ad account is old, we already run so many ads on Pinterest, but why it's still recommending us for automated campaign? So after running so many ads, Pinterest already researched our campaign. They know what our product is. All the time we are running campaign on sofa, on furniture, on the same categories of niche. So that's why Pinterest know where our audience is. Our ad account is already trained, and they will send our audience directly to the exact place where we should bring our audience to. So that's why they are recommending us for automated campaign, because they already know where our audience is, and they already noted down where they should send our ads to them. That's why they are suggesting us for the automated campaign, because Pinterest already know about us, Pinterest already trained our ad account, and that's why they are very clear where they should send our audience. So if you have any kinds of question, what types of ads you should run on Pinterest, definitely let me know. I'm always here for help you. I'm providing 20 minutes of free consultation also. If you have any kinds of question, feel free to connect with me. If you think this video helped you, feel free to subscribe. Thank you so much. It's going to be really helpful for me.